Hi, I'm Bert Johnson of Zimbrick Audi. Welcome to our dealership. In this video, we'll be showing you how to get to our facility and how to get into our facility when you're coming in for scheduled maintenance or repair of any kind, or just visiting to have your tire pressure checked, for example. We'll be going over the approach routes, what's the best entrance to use, and how to proceed once you get into our lot. We're driving south on John Nolan Drive here from downtown, and we'll be turning right on Rimrock Road, which is coming up ahead here at the stoplight. You don't even have to stop at the stoplight because this lane is green all the time. We'll want to get in the middle lane here, and we'll be crossing over the Beltline ahead. Now, if you are coming from the Beltline to our dealership, Rimrock Road is the exit that you will be taking, whether you're coming from the east or coming from the west. Traffic normally flows pretty well on Rimrock here as we're approaching the dealership. Usually not a lot of holdups. Off to our right here, across the Beltline, you'll see our destination, Zimbrick Audi. Also home to Zimbrick Porsche and Zimbrick Mercedes. These stoplights up here are Badger Road, where we'll be turning right. Zimbrick Audi is here on our right. We'll want to go to the third driveway before turning in, however. Makes it a little bit easier. Right by the fire hydrant, turn right in here. It is marked with an arrow for Audi service. You'll want to keep your eyes open here as we're on this service drive. There is a bit of cross traffic sometimes. Straight ahead of us is the Audi service garage door. It will open automatically as soon as we get close enough. Now, it is helpful to pull in as far as possible. Makes it easier for both the service advisors as well as people who might be coming in behind us. And we just pull into an available slot here. And we'll be greeted shortly by one of the service advisors.
Hopefully now you know where to bring your vehicle in for service. If you still have questions, be sure to check the links in the description for more information. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single video because we release new ones every single week. And until next time, thanks for tuning in.